Hi there and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video we'll be looking at exercise number 4 having to do with average rate of change. If you haven't watched exercises numbers 1, 2, and 3 yet, I suggest you go back to get an idea of what average rate of change is and how we can find it. Otherwise, you're in a good spot, so let's get going. Exercise number 4. And it says if f of 2 equals 8 and f of 6 equals 28, what is the average rate of change between these 2 points? So we have enough information right off the bat to find our average rate of change because we really know that this is our x value inside these parentheses and it gives us our y value as an answer. So this is really the point, the coordinate point 2 comma 8. Likewise, this one is really the point 6 comma 28 because inside those parentheses is my x value, my output is my y value, so I have my x-y pair here and my x-y pair here, and I like to just number these as x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2 to help me out when I find my average rate of change. And again, we said that you could use the f of b minus f of a over b minus a formula, or we also said in previous exercises that it's the same thing as using this formula, and it's also the same thing as using the change in, the change in y, over the change in x. So I like this one. It's the shortest, simplest one. Change in y over change in x, you can't go wrong there. So my change in y is 28 minus 8, because how do we get from 8 to 28? We subtract. Same logic, how do we get from 2 to 6? We subtract those as well. So I'm going to get 20 over 4, which will give me an average rate of change of 5. So what is the average rate of change between these 2 points? The average rate of change is 5. So using any of these 3 formulas, you should be able to find that your average rate of change between these 2 points was 5. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and you're ready now for exercise number 5. Good luck.